J-76101-2. This is video number 2 being taken. This time we're accessing the sewer through an exterior main cleanout located on the back of the house at the patio. We're looking at the flow of the main at 193 feet. Water flow appears to be going from left to right on the screen. So the city main is heading into the hill of the road. Main and the lateral appear to be PVC. Here we have a nice shallow trickle of water. Pitch is good. We have a test tee here likely at 156 feet. Followed possibly by a second test tee. Could also be buried exterior yard cleanouts. So compared to here, 155, we have some moderate pooling downstream end. As we pull back, we see the waviness of the water. It's not terribly deep, but it is moderate. Pooling continuing. Getting slightly deeper. Moderate pooling continuing. Pooling, getting slightly deeper again, widening out. Upstream end at 108 to 155. Combination of very minor to moderate pooling there. This would be what we would like to see the whole way. Moderate pooling possibly continuing on. We'll see if it trends back, continues to trend. Yep, moderate pooling continuing. That was just a brief spot at 105, but or 108. Call it 105 is downstream. Getting a bit wider. Pooling water is deep enough now that as we're dragging back, we are submerged on the camera lens. Doesn't appear to be any buildup causing this. It just looks like all liquid, suggesting dip. Deeper pooling water continuing. We do have water running at the kitchen, and we've flushed the toilet several times. We still have this dark murky water through this section. Kind of coming out of the cooling water. Camera's a little fuzzy, but certainly a lot of buildup there. Likely the buildup is accumulating because the water is so deep through this section. And back to good pitch. So 73 to 105 is deeper pooling water. Rinse the camera lens a little bit. There we go. Get good pitch through this section. Back to moderate pooling water again. Call it 71 on the bottom end. Moderate pooling gets deeper for a minute above the camera lens again. We come out, you can see the pipe has a significant amount of pooling there. Upstream end at 60 to 71 is moderate to deep pooling. '57 again, we start with moderate pooling. Again above the camera lens. And here we can see, have a perspective of how deep the water is as we approach this pool. It's quite significant. Tapers back to normal pitch, so the start of those rapids at 47 is the upstream, so 47 to 57. little bit of buildup on the top of that joint. Uncertain whether that is organic debris or a root intrusion from a badly glued pipe. It's hard to tell because we got pooling water just downstream of it. So Cameron's a little fuzzy with the debris. Cooling water here starts at 45. Cooling water gets above lens again. Emerging out of the water on the upstream end. The rapids are the beginning at 39 to 45. Normal pitch through here. Back to moderate pooling. .36 is the downstream end. Moderate pooling continuing. So that's just a real brief one, 33 to 36. Pooling again, 30. Pooling getting a little deeper there. Rapids are the upstream end at 25 to 30. Again, moderate pooling 23 downstream. Upstream at 18. Moderate pooling at 14. Going through a turn. Upstream end of the pooling at 11 to 14. Through a second turn. These must be two 45-degree joints. And we have our transition from PVC to cast iron there at 7. Going up the clean out located on the patio. Access through the patio, clean out rear entry door back there.